Hello, I'm Carolyn, the designer behind the Purple Poncho. On my channel, you will find crochet videos to complement my crochet patterns. I enjoy working with unusual fibers, beads, thread, and all weights and types of yarns. You'll find accessories, garments, household items, holiday items, and blankets. Why is my channel called the Purple Poncho, you might wonder? My grandmother had crocheted me a purple poncho when I was a little girl. I loved watching her crochet and was fascinated by the way her hands moved and the beautiful items that she made. She then taught me the basics of crochet. Today, I'm a crochet designer, blogger, traveler, and meeting wonderful people all over the world, all through our love of crochet. I'm glad you're here, and I'd love for you to hit subscribe and crochet with me. Thank you and have a great day.